Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is James. Are you a student or a teenager? Want to make real money? Whether you are saving up for something big or building wealth early, today we are going to break down real ways you can make money with zero excuses. Let's go. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please follow and subscribe. Before we talk about money, let us talk about mindset. If you believe that teens can't make real money, if you believe that students can't make real money, then you've already lost. But if you see yourself as a young entrepreneur or a smart worker, doors will open for you. So if you're a student or a teenager that wants to make money, I want to tell you number one thing is online money making is one of the best ways you can make money as a teenager, as a student. The internet is the best friend when it comes to making money. A way to monetize them online, here are legit ways to earn. Freelancing. Let's talk about graphic designers, writers, video editing, and all this. These people make up to $50 to $100 per hour. So what are you waiting for? If you're a teenager and you are still there broke, you are the one that makes yourself broke. Because as a student, then if you can fix yourself in graphic designing, writing, video editing, you'll be making up to $50 to $100 per hour. What about selling digital products? Ebooks, templates, courses, and all those stuffs can earn you up to $100 to $1,000 per month. If you're into ebooks, templates, courses, and all those things, then you can be able to make $100 to $1,000 per month. What about content creation? YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, ad revenue sponsorships. This platform can give you as from $150 to $10,000 per month. Why can't you engage yourself in TikTok, YouTube, even Facebook? Because all these revenues that you got from that place will make you rich overnight. How about reselling items online? Dropshipping, tree flipping can give you up to $500 to $5,000 per month. So why can't you engage yourself in all this? As a student, when you engage yourself in item reselling, then you'll be making a lot of money from it. Apart from online hustles, there are offline hustles which you can engage with. There are plenty of ways to make money right where you live. How about tutoring? As a student, you can tutor the younger ones. Teaching younger kids subjects or skills can earn you from $8 to $39 per hour. Tutoring the younger ones as a student, tutoring the junior ones can earn you from $8 to $39 and they're broke. Now, why can't you go and hustle and you see real money coming to your table? How about photography? Covering events, selling stock photos can earn you as from 25 cents to $100 per image or event. All these are the ways to earn money. As a student, you don't have to be broke because there are a lot of things that you can do. How about event planning assistance? Helping with birthday parties, small gatherings can earn you as from $100 to $1,500 per event. And you are not supposed to be broke. Please go and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in this video. Now, if that one didn't work out, there are other things you can do to earn money. Investing and saving wisely. Investing and saving wisely has made a lot of teenagers and the young ones very great. But some of our youth are not doing well because they don't know this vision. Making money is great, but keeping and growing it is even better. Here is how to be smart with your earnings. Saving money versus spending money wisely. Investing in assets, stocks, crypto, NFTs, but cautiously. Stock market. All these can give you as from $100 to $10,000 over time. Financial education is key to long-term success if you can be able to engage yourself in all this. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and do that now so you can be able to see my next videos. Now you have everything you need to start making money. The biggest difference between successful teens and everyone else: choose a money-making method and start today. Because the longer you wait, the longer success waits too. Please, if you have any suggestion or question, drop a comment below. Which method would you try first? Like, subscribe, and share this video with other teenagers